Hi guys, welcome back to another Junior Pickle video, and today we're going to be reviewing the Shark Rocket. It's not a Dyson, but it's something we'll check out. Let's see what we got here. Got the instructions. Oh, how was that? The handy dandy Shark carrying case. Upholstery, I'm assuming. I'm not a big vacuum guy. Comes with a good holder. Good attachment there. It's one of the wands. We'll piece this all together. The main unit. And that's it. Floor to ceiling versatility. Lightweight. I can attest to that. It's real lightweight. If you're looking at something that's battery powered, yeah, I'd probably go Dyson. But this, it's got a nice feel, nice rubber grip to it. Good flip down canister, no bag. Piece this together and we'll get going. I'll show you. That piece just clips in there. That's seems like steel. And we got the main pieces to it. It's good solid strength. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah, I just hope that doesn't get gummed up with hair. And then, so you can see that. Just like that. Ooh, it's got like a ball joint on it, so that's real good. But yeah, very light, better than if you had an upright. The upright is no comparison to this whatsoever. Alright, let's go get to some actual vacuuming. Right off the bat, I noticed it's got two selector switches here. One for hardwood and one for what looks to be a carpet symbol. Oh no, kibble spillage! Switch the carpet. And the ever brutal carpet stairs. Thanks to you. To give you a context, look how long this cord is. I live in a 2-story home. And look at that. Still got lots of length. And just to show you how bad my Berber carpet is, look how filthy that is. We'll kick that on and I'll show you. Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna empty the canister. 2 bedrooms and the stairs. Check it out. Yeah, I went over. One thing I could tell you, it does a good job. An amazing job. Okay, now upholstery. We'll snap this off. Just like that. Stick on the brush. You can see the crud there. Suction's really good. Then I'll switch the actual upholstery one. So just to recap, the attachments you get along with the carrying bag and the hook. From the Shark, in my opinion, is really good. It's awesome. It can handle all the jobs you need. If you like this video, you want to see more of this type of video, make sure you hit the subscribe and make a comment down below. That I would much appreciate it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.